lovelies, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely of Lovely Budgets HK. Hello, welcome to my happy place. How are you, lovelies? I hope you're all doing well. And for today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my mini saving challenge and my collab and play challenges. So before I start, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated on my next video. Now let's start for the mini saving challenge. So I have 6 saving challenges here. Let me put it here first. And let's see. Don't say anything about this binder because this is my first ever binder. It's been 3 years that I've been using this. And you see it's a little bit dirty. It's dirty now, but I still love using this. So for today, what I'm going to save is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, as well as $20 from my coin jar that I changed. So $70. And let's use for the meantime the prop money because I'm using $5 each roll. So let's use prop money first before we change it into real money when the saving challenges is completed. So let's count this: 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. Okay. So this money, I'll just put it here first. And let's roll. It's a 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And let me change it into here. I'll just shuffle it. And let's do it without even knowing which saving challenges the challenges came from. I will let you know soon, but I hope I can ring the bell today. Hopefully, yay. Okay. I will use the six side dice. Okay, let's start. So 3, 4, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay. 6, 6, 5. What's that? 2, 6, 3, 4, 1. Okay, all of them have love now. 4. I think it's done. So let's see. If it's done, I think it's done. Yeah. Okay. Then 4 again. I think it's done. And 6. Let's skip it now. And let's see. So for this challenge is from Mel of Mamshi Queen. Each icon, each ribbon is $5. So I got here 1. Okay, so let's cross 1 and change it into $10. So I didn't finish it yet. So far, I save here 10, 20, 30, 40, 60. All right. Next one. So by the way, the completed saving challenge for this mini saving challenge goes to my month ahead binder, and I will let you know soon if I will reallocate it. So just wait for that. So $5 for this. This is from Jenny of Simply Living Saves. One icon, one sun is $5. And let's put prop money here. Next one is from Lai Budget, a Filipino cash stuffer. And each icon is $2. So I have here, I think $10, right? Yeah, so let's put here $10 and cross 5 icons. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So far, what we save here is 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65. Okay, this is from Lay Budget again. And this one is from Rock's Budget. And I need here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Instead of instead of uh, saving 12, I will save 15. So that, yeah. And the rest of this one, let's see if I save it correctly. I think I mix up. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42. So 45, sorry. 40. I'm put here 45. And okay, ring the bell, ring the bell, ring the bell, my bell. So just put and here 45. And let's change $10 so that I can keep my 45 there. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 45, and 45 here, and this one is in here. So this saving challenge is done. Okay, I checked my video and I think it's messed up. So for this saving challenges, I roll one. So this one is gonna be finished also. Yay! This is from me, and let's ring the bell. Ring the bell, ring the bell, my bell. So just keep it here, and I finished the challenge at as, as of this moment. And let's see how much is inside here. So 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75. Okay. This is done. And I'll put this on my collection of my completed saving challenge, which is, let me check. Let me do it like this first. Which is this tin can. As you can see here, I don't have much completed saving challenge. I only completed the graduation saving challenge of my son, but I already spent it because his graduation is done. And let's keep it in here. Sorry, lovelies, that I didn't do much video or film much video as I can because I don't know what's going on now. I hopefully soon I can video more and more and more like before. And I'm losing my mind now that I miss doing this and I'm so busy to do that. I don't know. I know. Okay, let's put it here. And then the last one is from Madeline. This got $20 to 10, 20, $20. Here, I save here so far 20, so $40. And I need to cross out 20. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay. So I only need here $10 to finish it. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yes. So this one is from Madeline. It's a freebie on her Copa shop. And I still have $10 here. And let's see which challenges get this one. I want to finish everything. So 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. No. 2, 6. No, 6. So 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So let's add up here. 10. Oh, 5, sorry. So let's cross this one out. And let's change this into $10. And this one, 2, 4, 5. Okay, I finished again. So this is $10. So where I will get this $10 here, I need to go back to my book because this is where the prop money represent to the money, and I have it in here. Hooray! So there's no more extra money there. So far now we save. Let's ring the bell first. Ring the bell, ring the bell, my bell. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, $70. Yay! Save here $70. Alright, another challenge done. Okay, let's put it on my tin container. So let's go to the collaboration and group play. So for this collaboration and group play, I will save here $200. And let's see if I can change it into smaller notes here. Let's see. I hopefully have. Where is it? Maybe here. Okay. 50, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So 100. So only 100 I can change. Okay, let's start. Okay, for saving around the world, 12 months of saving collaboration. I haven't finished June yet. So for June, it's Mel of Mamshi Queen. And the 12 challenges that are part of this one, this collab is Hustle and Flow. I just put it on the description box. So June is for Hong Kong, and Mel, my cousin, is the one who create this challenge. And as you can see here, there's a lot. It said here that each group of image is how much for me. So let's see. I use how much for me then? So $10. So there's a group of food, dim sum. There's a group of landmarks, and oh sorry, there's a group of street food, landmarks, dim sums, currencies, and transportation. So I need to finish this because I'm too late. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So let's get 50 here. Let's see if there's a change here. Yeah, there's a change. So give me 50 for a change. And I will not count it yet because the total amount will be counted at the end of this year. I want to make it as a surprise. So that's Hong Kong. And I finish this challenge, and let's cross it out. Let's cross this out. Let's check this. For the next video, I will do mine, the July one. You can check our Kopay shop if you want to get all of the 12 months of saving challenges that we do. Check our Kopay shop, the one who is part of this collaboration. They posted it on their Kopay shop, so you can complete the 12 saving challenges from January to December. So this is what I made, and this one, it's a roll and save, and you can see the landmark here. So it represents me and Philippines. So this is the landmark, the rice terraces in the northern part of Philippines. We have a lot of old churches, Catholic churches, and our famous, almost perfect crescent Mayon volcano, and our beaches. And for this one, there's a transportation, there's a bayanihan. Maraming salamat po is a greeting. So I will explain this one next time when I do it. But for now, let's move on to other collaboration that I join in, which is the Spring Collab. Okay. So pick and save collaboration and the Spring Collab, which is this one. So I will put on description box which channels is part of this collab, but it's also written here as you can see. So anyway, I'll just get. So part of this collab is Ma'am Queen, Kasem Color Budget, myself, Blessed Budget by Abigail, Blessed Budget by Abigail, Keeping It Crispy, Boop and Budget, Hippies, Puppies and Kittens Budget, Sin on a Budget, and The Star. If you want to join us, it's gonna be you. So for this one, I will use 8-sided dice, which is not in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, sorry, 10-sided dice. Okay, this is my 10-sided dice. 0 gonna be 10, but we don't need 10. Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So let's roll. And we need the card here. That's why it's pick and save. Where's the card in here? Okay. All right. Let's do. Let's shuffle this. So 2. Right, 2, 1, 2. This is from Myra of Cash and Color Budget. So how much I need to save? So 3. Let's do other color. The one which is visible. This is 3. Next one. So 2 again. How much? 4. Let's do 5 times, okay? So 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, blessed budget with Abigail. Hi, Barbs. So 6. 6. Oops. So 1, which is Moshi Queen. How much? 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it's for keeping it crispy. How much? 2. So let's count how much I need to save in this challenge. So 3, 6, 10, 16, 18. So $18. Okay. I've something here. So give me $2. Okay. So next one is going to be this one. So I finished it last time here. So let's roll 600 dice. I want to finish all the icons. Let's see. 6. Wow. Oh, let's finish 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So Mamshi Queen. Mamshi Queen is 4. 5. Let's restart. Start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keeping it crispy. Keeping it crispy, it's $2. Okay. 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $2. What icon's not yet done? Okay. How much now? So 2, 2, 8, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So Abigail is 2. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So $3. So how much now? 2 plus 2, 4, 8, 10, 13. So $13. Give me $7 change. $7 change. So I don't have change. So what to do? Okay, let's change another $10 here. 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Then let's say here's $17, right? If not mistaken. Okay, this is done. Let's see, just double check. 4, 2, 6, 8, 10, 13. Oh, 13. I put 17. OMG. I put 17. Should be 13. Okay. And next one, it's a group play. Let's go for the group play. For the group play, Okay, for this one, it's my own saving challenge. If you want to grab this, you can go to my Copa shop. It's a set of three. It's a roll and save, or it's up to you what you. It's a versatile. If you want to be roll and save, or just put any amount that you prepared. And for me, I put roll and save in here. And let's do this. So roll and save 6-sided dice. Let's see how many I can finish it. I can finish today. So 5. This is my group play if you want to join me saving here. So 1, roll the dice. 4, 5. Let's finish it until there. 6, 6, and 1. Okay. Let's start here. 5, 6, 10, 15, 16 plus 12. 16 plus 12, 28. Okay, 28. Let's save here $28. Okay, let's get 28, 30 plus $2. $2 there. Change of $2. And next one, next group play is from No Release Budgets rather. And sa roll and save, I use 20-sided dice last time, but now let's see. I only want to use 6-sided dice to finish it faster because I'm so behind. It's April. So 5, 5. Let's finish it until there. 2, 6, 4, 5. So 7, 10, 20, $22. So $22. I will go back here if I still have money that I need to save, but let's move along. So for this community, build your community from Laura of Miss L. Thomas. I already research it. Okay, what I search here is the one with an orange one. It's A. Frugal Fairy, Boop and Budgets, Claudine, G and Budgeting Besties, Misfits of Budgeting, Our Beautiful Budget, Prince by Carly Studio, Tina and Life. Hi Tina, how to pronounce it? Yaj, Yajara Detor. I don't know. Anyway, you read it yourself. It's very hard to pronounce it for me. So that one, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then there's two more here, which is Loving Life at the 60s and Humble Budgeter. It's not on the list, so let's save $10 here. Okay. And next saving chow. Okay, let's skip this and go with this one. This is from Doodle Dollars. It's a roll and save. Let's roll and save. So 2, 5, so 7, 1, 8 total. One more, last one. 3, so 7, 10, $11. And this done. Ring the bell. Ring the bell, my bell. So total save here is 2027. And let's keep it aside. And put it here on my next group play is from Crispy, of keeping it crispy. I think, yes. She's a fellow Filipino cash budgeter or cash stuffer. So this one, roll and save two. Let's go. Save $2. 6, 8, 5. Oops. 1. Let's finish this. If I still have money, yeah, I'll finish this. 5, 1, 1, 2. How much? 2, 6, 8, 6. So 2, 6, 8, 9, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 23. 23. Okay. Give me $1 change. Oh, no $1 change. Let's try to finish this, okay? Let's do the rest, the last row. 5, 6, 11, 2, 13, plus 2, 15. Okay, $15. Okay, this challenge done. So I save here 50, 56. Ring the bell, ring the bell, my bell. All right. And the rest, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So I have 10 here. Let's go on. Let's go where? Let's do here. So $10. Let's see. 2. Hopefully I can finish this April. April 1. 1. 1. 4. 2. 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8. One more, last one. Don't give me I owe you. 2. Okay, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, 10. Exactly. Yay. Alright, this is the end of my video. Thank you so much for bearing with me and for staying in here and for your loyalty and friendship. Hope you have a great day, a great night, and a fabulous week. That's it for now. Bye for now and see you later. Be humble and grateful. Make saving a habit. Bye. Love ya. God bless. Love ya. Bye.